Even when people have everything, wealth, power, they still turn to cruelty and abuse. And as much as you want peace, there is always war. God designs the world so that it punishes the innocent for the mistakes of others. If God really wanted mankind to be at peace with him and with one another, do you think there would be sickness and death? Think about how many die from hunger every day. Do they deserve it? And what of floods, hurricanes, and other natural disasters? We are not the problem. At least we try to be good. The problem, as you can plainly see, is God himself. You shouldn't care so much about being forgiven by an unjust and cruel God. Those are only feelings he made to control you. Let me help you. All you need to do is eat the fruit. You will no longer feel the pain of guilt and blame. You will be free, like God himself.
No, I know who you are. You're Satan, the evil one, the devil.
You weak-minded fool! You have no one strong enough to protect you but me. You are mine, little one. You think you can escape me? Even now, my armies surround all the cities of Earth! My armies will crush all of those that follow God!